today we will be traveling to Singapore. I just got from paying my travel tax and now we are gonna wait for our bag drop. I just passed the immigration and now I'm waiting for my flight. It's still at 12 and para nasa 9:22 pa lang. We'll just have to wait here. Siguro I'll have some coffee or have some food. It's actually my first time flying via Clark and super ganda naman ng experience, super fast from the bag drop off until the immigration. Walang pila. I don't know kung ngayon lang to or it's normally like that, pero it's very smooth. This is actually my third solo international travel and of course I will be spending my birthday. I hope to explore Singapore in its entirety. Baka naman, pwede nyo akong samahan. Made it to Singapore. Currently, I'm waiting for my bag and then we are gonna go get our SIM card and then get a tourist pass and head to the hotel. I bought my SIM card from Klook and this is where we will claim it. It's just across baggage belt 4 and it's the UOB currency exchange. I redeemed our SIM card. Ito-try na natin siya. Ito yung mga times na I wish my boyfriend is with me. Ang hirap. Wait lang, nakangain siya ng tanga. Success! Na-install naman ang SIM card. Now, we are going to withdraw money. Ang maganda guys, from the arrival, at dito na rin yung mga ATM kung saan tayo pwedeng mag-withdraw. And I'm choosing this. Pero nakita ko mura dito. Medyo mahal yung conversion nila. I got my cash and we're done. I withdraw 200 Singaporean dollars. Naka-withdraw na tayo. So next is we get the SG Tourist Pass. So it's an unlimited card for FRT, bus, and other transpo. Yun nga lang, yun dun sa unang pinagtanungan ko, ang meron lang sila is yung SG Tourist Pass Plus, which is 49 SGD. But I'm looking for the 3 days, which is 29 SGD. Naghahanap pa ako ng ibang option here. Karating din tayo sa ating hotel. So now, I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. Pawis na pawis ako kasi third floor siya and walang elevator. Actually, I will be staying here for one night kasi I will be transferring to another hotel just in front lang naman. That is because dapat dun talaga ako. Unfortunately, hindi available yung single room nila for this day. Medyo mahal na yung deluxe room. Kaya sabi ko, I will just be staying here since magkalapit lang naman. Then, I will transfer tomorrow. This one is 4,000 for one night. Very basic lang yung room. So, we have here a single bed. Medyo luma na siya. Pero ang mahal kasi ng mga hotel dito. And yun nga, yung location maganda. Kasi we are just in Chinatown. So, may window siya. Nakakatuwa naman. And then, meron tayong basic here. Coffee. And then, TV. And then, telephone. And here, yung aking bathroom, meron siyang bathtub. O, diba? Pero wala silang bidet. Very unusual. But wait, there's more. May fridge siya. So, kahit luma na yung hotel, diba? May fridge! So, eto lang siya. Very small, pero okay na rin. If you're alone. Diba? From the hotel, yan lang naman yung lilipatan ko. We are out and about. Lumabas na tayo ng hotel. We are going to eat. I'm going to this Michelin Bib Gourmand restaurant, but it closes at 9. I'm not sure if mahabol ko siya. Okay. According to Google Maps, it's just 160 meters walkable, diba? This location, it's really central. It's near the train station, the GT line 19. Kaya, ito din yung pinili ko talaga. I think ito na siya. Parang pinapasok niya ako sa isang market na something. And may mga stores, kaso lahat closed. So, I'm not sure kung open pa yun. Nawala-wala ako, girl. Nagtanong na ako, aakyat daw tayo dito sa elevator. I found it. The prizes. Para na parami tayo ng order, dash. Ang dami. Akala ko maliit lang kasi mura siya. This is my rice. This is the soup. Papanindigan natin itong madami. Chicken leg peanut sauce para siyang munggo. Next time, mag-time takaw tikim ha. Dahil first night natin ngayon. Pagbibigyan natin. Ang sarap ng chicken, ang lambot. Ang lambot. Sarap. Done eating our first meal in Singapore. Sobrang yummy. Yun nga lang, sobrang dami niya and hindi ko naubos. Stalls pala yung location niya. Go upstairs and then find for the number 02198 and 02199. The uncle. Now it's around 9 o'clock and the night is still young. Kaya naman, magbo-burn tayo ng fats dahil ang dami nating nakain. So now, I am planning to go sa night festival sa Bugis. Since we have our tourist card, which is unlimited ride, sulit na natin, di ba? So, ayun na nga. Nawala ako. Apparently, ano pala siya, marami siyang installation. Not just in Bugis area, but alongside Basa Road. Magkakalayo pala siya. So now, ang pinuntahan ko na lang one of the highlights, which is yung located dito sa Cathay Green. Para siyang mini carnival. Para may mapuntahan tayo tonight. So, ito siya. Oh. Good morning. It's day 2 here in Singapore and it's already 9 o'clock. Today, I'm planning to go to Sentosa Island. I will not be going to USS, but I will be exploring Sentosa Island. And then later in the afternoon, doon na tayo magka-Gardens by the Bay. Now, to start up this day, we will have breakfast at Maxwell Food Center. So, ang maganda dito sa hotel ko, sobrang lapit ng mga hawker center dito. And yun nga yung Maxwell, isa sa pinakamalapit. Lau Pa Sat is also walkable, but I think it's a little bit further. Mas malapit yung Maxwell. I'm just gonna quickly grab a breakfast, and then we will be headed to Sentosa Island. Walking around Chinatown, this is how it looks like. It's a lovely neighborhood. Walking down to Maxwell, I saw this. It's Nanyang Old Coffee. And may maraming tour. I don't know kung tourist or local. I'm just gonna stay here na lang for the experience. Feeling ko naman may kaya toast sila dito. But let's check out. Let's have breakfast like a local. I have here a kaya toast and coffee. Sarap ng kape. Now let's try the kaya toast. You have to toast it here. So this is egg with toyo. Meron palang kasaling ako nito eh. Yummy. If you've tried yung kaya toast ng Clean Beach sa may LU, I really thought it would taste the same. Pero may difference eh. But both masarap. Just across dito sa pinag-breakfastan ko is yung bus stop going to Harbor Front Tower 2. Nandito na ako sa Vivo City and currently I'm going to the Harbor Front Towers. Kasi sa Tower 2, yun yung pag-claiman natin ng Klook ticket natin na na-purchase for the cable car. And mukhang ayan na siya. Malapit na tayo. I can see the cable cars. Oh, diba? What I love about Singapore, ngayong day 2 ko pa lang dito, is that very lush. No? Ang daming trees pa din kahit nasa city center ka. Dami pa ring halaman. And alam mo yun, parang it makes the vibe, it makes the air cleaner to breathe. We are here at Harbor Front Tower 2. Here is the ticketing for the cable car. Magti-claim dapat ako for the Klook one. Pero I learned na pag sa Klook, you can go direct na sa cable car, which is located at level 50. Let's go! I'm excited! Hello! Good morning! Thank you! Oh my gosh! I'm having the cable car for myself! Nag-round trip lang ako mga besh. Ay, meron pa palang issue dito ko. Nakakaba pala siya. We are here at Sentosa Station. To begin your Sentosa journey. Ang ginawa ko dun sa cable car, I rode sa Harbor Front, then going to Mount Faber. Then, hindi na ako bumaba ng cable car. So, from Mount Faber, going back to Harbor Point, and Harbor Point to Sentosa, para isahan na siya. So, now I'm transferring to the other cable car. Para experience naman natin, this is within Sentosa naman. From, wala na namang mga tao guys. Mukhang wala na naman ako makakasabay sa aking cable car. Kakariwin na natin po.
And this moment is perfect. Let's take the ride.
From Imbalugao Station kanina, I went to Relayo Station to Siloso Point. Mainit lang siya guys. Wala siyang aircon pala. May lamig lang kapag pumapasok na hangin. Siyempre, magmamaganda na naman tayo.
These are the days of our lives. I hope and pray tonight for our future, for our lives. Let's take the
Ito
ride.
na yung problema. Pag medyo may edad ka na talaga, once in a while, kailangan mong umupo. Bata-bata, talagang go, go, go. Lahat pupuntahan, lahat ng nasa list pupuntahan. But when you reach a certain age talaga, as much as gusto mo talaga puntahan lahat, you have to think about yourself. You have to think about your well-being. One more thing, of course, mahal ang water. Like, parang sa Europe din yung water dito. Make sure na magbaon kayo ng water. So, if you can bring a water bottle or a flask, better. At ako nakalimutan ko kasi. So, itong bottle na to, yung binili ko pa from Clark, then nire-refill ko na lang siya sa hotel. Actually, ang laki ng Sentosa and ang dami mong pwedeng gawin dito. But for me, ang gagawin ko lang talaga yung cable car and then yung Skyline Luge, which is very interesting. Parang activity siya. At then we'll go back na sa city. Here is the Skyline Luge. You can ticket here or buy it online. Mine, I bought it here na lang kasi nawala na sa clip. We are now going to our first ride. Let's go! Ride, ride, ride!
And this
We're on our
moment
sky
is
ride,
perfect.
going up again.
Let's take the ride. This is the time for you and me.
Ayan yung mga bata.
Let's take the ride.
Ang galing nila mag-control.
Let's take the ride. No one knows tomorrow.
Best effort!
It can take us anywhere.
Natapos na ang ating Skyline Luge experience and it was really fun. Very time consuming siya. So I started at 12 noon and then now it's already 2 p.m. So 2 hours for 4 rides. If I may suggest, you can take the 2 rides or 3 rides to experience this. Pero yung 4 medyo nakakapagod siya. But if you really want to take 4, di ba? Go. Walang pumipigil. Ang dami kong nakain for today. But now, I'm heading back to my hotel. Magka-transfer lang ako sa aking bagong hotel. And then, mag-refreshen up. And then, going out again. Here is a quick room tour. So, ito yung aking bathroom. Tapos, ito yung aking bed. Very small lang yung room. But, enough naman siya. And, may mga complete amenities naman tayo dito. So, may safe, may sleepers, may trash, may blower, tsaka may mga sapitan. And then, upuan, then water heater, water, coffee. Yan. And then, yung saksakan nila, ang maganda sa kanya, kahit wala kang dalang adapter. So, meron siya, in fairness sa kanila. And then here, actually, meron siyang TV. It's a LED projector kasi. So, ibababa mo lang dito, sa part na to, yung, what do you call that? Parang background. So, yan lang siya. Very small, but what I love about this, it is clean. Tapos nga, yung location niya, very central. Kaya, it's not bad. So, I'm back out. At nakapag-office change na tayo. Now, I'm headed to Gardens by the Bay. I'm gonna be taking the MRT again. I will be riding the train going to Marina Bay Sands. Headed to Gardens by the Bay. For the lakad pala dito, girl. Ang init-init, girl. Pero laban. We are going sa Cloud Forest, Flower Dome, and Super Tree Grove. Habang mainit pa siya, kasi air condition naman yung room. So, dun tayo pupunta. So, it's still 350 meters away. Layo pa. Cloud Forest. This is the falls. This is the map. Not the fun of plants. Hi there. Let's look inside. Cute. So if I'm stepping, it's already water. Lastly, this is the Cloud Forest Theater. This is the last part before we go out. There is a secret garden, which is not a secret anymore. I'm done with the Cloud Forest. Sobrang saya mag-enjoy lang dito, mag-immerse. But of course, in the interest of time, I'm going na sa Flower Dome. Ay, nawala na naman ako. The exit, aakyat lang tayo dito sa escalator. At the escalator, yun na agad yung Flower Dome. So mga besh, nag-ibang aking itinerary. Super tree. Basta yun, yung tree. Kasi maggagabi na siya. Pick dun muna and then later na yung sa Flower Dome. May nakita ko sa TikTok na place kung saan tayo mag-picture for the super tree. Let's see if it works. Fine for lift B. Nandito lang siya sa may likuran ng picturean ng super tree. Then, proceed ka sa level 2. Once you exit, we are gonna take this path going down. It's one more left. Right here. Oh, so this is the view from here. Now I'm going back to Flower Dome. Welcome to the Flower Dome. Ang lamig, lamig. I love it, ang lamig. First is the Australian Garden. Love it here. South Africa Garden tayo. Travel around the world pala ito. Mediterranean Garden. Diba? Ang ganda, girl. Ito na yung sa Impressions of Monet. Ganda. Cute, cute. Okay lang ako. Okay lang. Good morning! Today is my birthday! It's our second full day here in Singapore, and today it's gonna be a laid back day. We'll try to see as much things that we can see, especially here sa may Chinatown, sa may Little India, around this area lang. And then later on, we will go to Clarke Quay, yung mga yon. But yun nga, it's a relaxed day. Still a quiet morning. It's around 8 o'clock. And it's a little bit gloomy, but that's okay, para hindi masyadong mainit. Now, I'm going to the metro, and I will be going to Fort Canning. yung famous na tunnel. I'm going here. So from there, magle-left ka here. Turn to your right, then here na siya. Yun na yung pila. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-Fort Canning and just a few minutes after ko mag-picture dun sa tunnel, it started raining. Oh my gosh. Kawawa naman yung mga naghintay din doon. So, they have to wait for the rain to stop para makapag-picture sila. Still raining. And I think I know what I need now is a very good laksa. Sorry, nasa gitna na ako ng pagdamang ko. Kasi sobrang gutom na ako. But this is what I got. I'm having a laksa. Sarap niya. So it's a set meal. I got the laksa, ota, and juice for 8.90. Not bad. Kakatapos ko lang maglaksa and I enjoyed it. I think I'm gonna have one more laksa before I go home. Hindi pwede hindi. It's still cloudy. Kakatapos lang umulan. So now I will try to check off some of my to-do list today. So now, mag-explore muna ako dito sa Chinatown since nandito na ako. I'm going to Anshang Hill and then yung mga famous ito, Relic Buddha, yung mga yun. And then later on, I'm going naman to Little India, Arab Street, mga ganyan. But it depends. Kung uulan siya, maybe I'll change my itinerary. So let's just see how this day goes. I got here sa ating first spot, Sri Mariamman Temple. Sri Mariamman Temple. There is Anshang Hill. Since we are here, in here, more of picture taking lang. Hanap tayo ng mga spots where we could take a picture. It's a relaxed day, kaya chill lang tayo. Go with the flow. Find e-juice everywhere. It costs $2, pero hindi ko pa siya na-try. Hope to try it. Anshang Hill Park. I really felt uncomfortable na sa damit ko kanina kasi nabasa and all. Sobrang pawis ko na. So, I changed and I'm back. Now, I'm headed to the Tooth Relic Buddha. And then, another road na pupuntahan ko. May isa pang temple na madadaanan lang. Yun lang. So, just a few walk from my hotel. Ito na siya. Ang Tooth Relic Buddha. And dito sa labas, may mga bilihan din ng mga souvenirs. Ang daming cute streets here. And ito nga, I'm here along South Bridge, if I'm not mistaken. May mga old houses dito, ang ganda. Ang aesthetic. Parang may halong culture. Culture meets diversity. Ganon! Ito yung isa pang temple. And finally, we reach Gyeongsak Road. So, I'm done with Gyeongsak Road now. We are gonna eat again. Since nandito na ako malapit sa Maxwell, might as well I'll try na yung Tian Tian Hainanese chicken, diba? Yan na yung Maxwell Food Center. There's a lot of food stalls here. So we found it. Ito na siya, ang ating Tian Tian Hainanese chicken. Masarap siya actually. Very flavorful yung chicken. Tapos napakasimple, no? Makukumpleto ang ating travel pag hindi tayo nawala, di ba? So nawala ako. I'm currently waiting for a bus right now. Sana meron. But yun nga, that's the reason why you need unlimited rides. Hindi ko na alam kung nasaan ako. Oh, walang mga buildings. Gusto mo yarn? Ay na ulit ako ng bus. So now I'm going back. It will take 30 minutes before I reach Haji Lane. Tingnan mo na the back of Haji Lane is Arab Street. You must also explore this long street because it is also home to some of the shops that are so cute here. This is Arab Street. It's a full stretch of cute shops. May mga souvenir shops na rin dito. May mga $1, 4 for 10, 5 for 10. Depende na lang sa budget mo. So this is the Sultan Mosque. It's so beautiful. Plus the street here has many shops and restaurants. Oh, may nakita akong lot of souvenirs. This looks like the Seine River in Paris. O, diba? Same feels. May sidewalk din siya. And here you can see Marina Bay Sands. I am here across the Old Hill Station. Yan yung colorful building sa likod na famous for picture taking, diba? And here is the view. It's still the same day, so it's around 5 o'clock. Magsi-6 na pala. And before we go for the river cruise, I will be going to Shims, kung yun ba yung pronunciation, before going to Clark Quay. And nakapag-change costume na tayo. Totoo. Ayos. Now on a boat ride, the Singapore River Cruise. This is my birthday treat for myself. Meron pala akong tip pag kumakain sa labas. Magdala ng tissue. Dahil may bayad ang tissue. May bayad din ang water. Walang service water. So magdala. Kaya ako kinukuha ko yung sa hotel. Kasi grabe. Ito, $1 na siya. Pag binuksan mo. Good morning! It's our last day here in Singapore, and I will be flying back to the Philippines later this afternoon. But this morning, pupunta lang akong Merlion Park to have a picture. Then, sasaglit tayo sa Bugis. And then come back here to get the luggage and head to the airport. So, Singapore, thank you so much. So, hindi pa rin tapos ang ating pag-walking. Medyo mag-walk ako for about 10 minutes. Then, my bus going to Merlion. Yun lang yung mahirap pala sa part ng front, yung bayfront. Wala masyadong malapit na bus or MRT station talaga dun. Wait lang. So, Anshang Road is actually an uphill road. But it's very beautiful here. Tignan nyo naman yung mga houses and stores dito. So, medyo nakikita ko na siya, si Merlion. Just a few minutes after I arrive here, ang dami ng tourists. So, mga 9 nandito ako. Now, it's 9:15 and grabe na dagsaan yung tourist. I'm done here sa Merlion. And Bayfront. I'm going now to Bugis kasi mag-open siya by 10 a.m. para andun na tayo. And then I'll spend 1 hour siguro doon, then go back to the hotel. Just in time for checkout. So we are here at Bugis Street. Nag-open pa lang yung mga store actually. Kasi 10 o'clock ang opening niya. So let's see. Pasok tayo. Ang marami din dito is mga clothing. Parang siyang Divisoria. Keychain, may mga ref magnet, bags, t-shirts, yan. Madami din. Pupunta tayo sa ABC Bargain kung saan makakahandle ng mga affordable na bilihin. Yan, ABC. Let's see. Anong babala natin dito? Feeling ko ito yung mga gusto na family ko. Noodles. Yan, laks. Okay, so we are now here at the airport, Terminal 4. Eh ngayon, ang nangyari, 150 pa yung bag drop off. And it's already 1:16. So sabi ko kakain na lang muna ako, then bag drop off. Saka tayo mag-explore sa Changi. Hopefully, time will allow kasi 4 p.m. pa naman yung boarding. 4:50 pa yung alis ng flight. So, if I will be able to drop off by 2, kaya pa naman. Hopefully, maging smooth lang lahat. But depende sa time, if may time pa. Kung wala, we can skip it na lang. And next time na lang ulit tayo mag-explore ng Changi. But, yun nga, hopefully may time today. Ngayon, I will just be eating my lunch. Marami namang mga food choices dito. Pero kagabi pa talaga ako nagki-crave kasi ng Japanese. Kaya, magbigyan na natin ng cravings. Ang mga dito sa location ko, tignan nyo. Nasa harap ko yung monitor for the update ng flights. So, diba? At makikita ko rin dito kung mag-open na yung Cebu Pacific. Kasi andun siya. Sa counter 6 siya. But it's currently closed pa. Food for today. Japanese cravings. I love it. Hi guys. It's already 3 o'clock and the boarding is at 4:20. I'm already here inside waiting for my boarding kasi hindi na ako tumuloy kasi feeling ko gagahulin ako sa time. And ayoko ma-stress bago umuwi. Kaya pumasok na ako. And marami pa namang pwedeng puntahan within dito sa departure area. Mag-explore muna ako kung ano yung mga makikita natin inside Changi Terminal 4 departure. Tata! Una kong ginawa pagkadating dito kasi yung bubungad sa'yo sa after ng immigration is yung mga perfume and even yung mga makeup. So, nagtingin-tingin na ako. And then, you can see here, may mga stores din like Charles & Keith, Batcha or Baka. Batcha siguro yan. TWG, may Coach din. Kapag gusto nyo mag-shopping, may Irvins din dito. Of course, the famous Singaporean treats. Our flight, our gate is G9. So, ito lang siya. Sa mga ganitong airport, mapapasana all ka na lang, no? Parang gusto talagang pumunta dito ahead of time. Ang daming pwedeng gawin. Ang daming pwedeng puntahan. Ang daming pwedeng kainan. Kahit mag-sightseeing ka lang, hindi ka naman mapapagastos eh. Diba? Ang cute. Bilihan ng gadgets. Kahit kasi may mga affordable din naman na bilihan dito. Sana problema ko yung baggage. We're going up kasi marami pang mga food stalls sa taas. Ito na yung food hall. So, ang bala kong gawin is bumili ng food pang take out para kainin mamaya sa plane. Ito pala yung cash. Meron kasi akong 13 SGD pa. So, pinagkakash ko siya para hindi na ako mag-withdraw at magamit ko siya. So, hanap tayo ng within the budget. So, dito ko binili yung aking takeaway food. Wait na tayo kung ubusin yung aking pera. So, now, I'm having coffee. This is 196, 1.96, almost $2. Ay, nasa 80 pa. Ano pala? Meron akong 50, 70, 50, 60, 75, 1.75. Saan ko galas to Cebu? It's already 4 o'clock and babalik na ako sa boarding gate. Kasi baka paalis na tayo, guys. Baka may one tayo. Char. Hindi makikibalita tayo. Hopefully we're not delayed. Wala bang pwedeng pag-refillan ng water dito? Kailan ko mag-refill ng water? Sana may mapulot akong 15 cents. Char. Sige, ano na lang. 50 na lang para masarap. Kulang na lang ng konti tong pera ko eh. Nakabili na ako ng curry puff eh. Stock pa naman sana.
Time is also